Hey flowers, we are back with a new nail video. These are short nails. We put some butterflies, some glitter, a little bit of paint, trying to have some fun. Okay, so we're gonna just hop right on into it. I am starting out. I bought these like short nails because I kind of was like annoyed with cutting my long nails. I'm like, I feel like I'd just be wasting the whole tip. So I bought these short nails in clear. I would have preferred natural color because the clear is just a little bit flimsier to me, or maybe it was just the brand that I bought. But we're going for it. We're doing that. Okay. Before we go any further, this is a baddie of all trades type of channel. If you are new here, we do fashion, nails, hair, makeup, all of that good stuff. If that's something that you would like, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload, you're notified. Give this video a big kiss, thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below and share this video with your friends. So I wanted to do like a tapered square. I don't like the when the square kind of comes out. I wanted to like stay with the nail, if that makes any sense. So when it flares out a little bit, I don't necessarily like that square. So I kind of filed the sides down. After doing that, I just go right in with the base gel. And this is going to be this of course I use only Makartt Polygel products, but this is the base gel that goes underneath the gel, the polygel that you're going to put on your nails. Now, I try to put a lot now because my nails are so oily all of a sudden. Like, I don't know if it's my vitamins or whatever, but my nails be oily. Just oily, guys. So this is the color 331. I don't remember the real color of it, but it's like a super, super light nudie pink. So I'm using that as the base for my nails, as opposed to like the natural kind of like see-through pink. I wanted to do something a little bit on the whiter side because I knew I was going to put pink on the nails. Alright, so we're only doing 2 layers of this. I find that putting so many layers on the short nails, it looks really, really bulky. Shorter nails don't need a lot. The longer the nail, the more the apex, meaning the more the layers. So this one, we're only going to do two layers. So this is the first layer that you see me doing right now. Okay, so now we're doing that pinky nail, which is super short and small, so cute. But we're gonna throw that pinky nail in there. Alright, so now I'm already on the second layer, so I'm just coming back to show you guys how it looks with that second layer on. I'm just trying to make sure it's covering the nail completely. This is the easiest part about the polygel. Again, I love polygel way more than I like acrylic or anything else, because once you freaking put the polygel in, it spreads and then you cure it. That's how it stays. You don't have to wait for drying or any of that. It's just so much better. And if you take your time, it'll lay super flat, no bulky, no bumps. I still have to practice my acrylic game. So actually, Bae bought me a hand, and I'm gonna start practicing and making videos, like just practicing acrylic and having fun with you guys, and doing that because I need to get my acrylic game up, you guys. So if you saw my last nail haul video or last nail video when I showed you guys the nail polish that I got from Born Pretty on Amazon, this is one of those nail polishes. This is the pink that I got. I have pink on my toes from my baby shower, and I just really wanted to just try to match it. It's a little smidge off, but it works for the most part. So yeah, that's why I decided to use this dark pink. So I'm just doing like little, like, I wouldn't call this French, but just little blocks of shapes on the nail just to give it some like type of fun dimension. I didn't want to just, I don't know, I thought this would be fun. And I only put 1 layer of the nail polish, you guys. I only put 1 layer. So we're doing that last pinky nail. Okay, so once that's done, of course we cure it because it is gel polish. So it's pretty easy to cure. I cured that one time, and now I'm going in with my my Makartt nail glue. So this glue goes on the nail, but it only dries when it's cured. So I'm just putting in the little glitter. I'm just going around some of the lines, adding some glitter in. I'll add my butterflies. I'll add a few stones just to add some fun pizzazz. Like the next time I do my nails, they will have nothing on it. It'll be one freaking color. I find that short nails just look prettier with just one color, to be honest. But I just really wanted to design on my nails because the long nails I just had, if you follow me on Instagram, I did those. I didn't film them, but they're so amazing. Alright, so as you can see, everything's going on, and once that happens, we just go ahead and cure it. Once it's cured, you just take it out and then you put your top it off, which is the top coat from Makartt. I put it all over. I even put the top coat on the butterfly because I wanted the butterfly to stay shiny. And of course, you're going to wash your hands and stuff, so I didn't want that gold to like start to rust off because I didn't put it on the last nails I was just trying to tell you guys about that I did from my shower, which were long nails. You know I love my long nails. But I didn't do that and they started to like rust off, so I'm trying to do this way. But honestly, that's pretty much it, you guys. This is how the nails look. I think they're pretty cute. I love the shape of them. They're okay. I'm trying to get used to the shorter nails. I don't know if I like the designs on them, but hey, it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.